Diane and Derek here, rah rah rah, good morning, woohoo, it is Wednesday. We're still working on our bedrooms, that's what we're doing this week. And also I'm checking in with you every day to give you the mission for the bedroom and also to give you some inspiration for your self-care, your little Hygge mission for the day. So first up, let's start with the cleaning mission. And remember, you don't need to do any of these missions, you can pick something from the list. The main thing is that we're just moving forward. Set your timer for 5 or 10 minutes and move forward with something in this area. It could be if you've got a chair piled up with clothes, deal with that today. If you missed Monday and Tuesday, you can start there, you can start today. It doesn't really matter. The main thing is that before you do any of these zone cleaning missions, that you make sure that you're doing your morning routine or your evening routine. Always start there. If you need help with your routines, I am a routines coach. I've got it all in my Flylady refresher course playlist. I'll put a link up there and there'll be a link down below. But anyway, let's dive into it. The mission for today is to deal with bedside cabinets or bedside tables, nightstands. And I'll just move the camera a wee bit around. I've shown you our one before that we have this little system from IKEA that we bought years and years ago, and it's a roll away system. And in here, I've shown you before in previous videos what I keep in here, but the main thing that you're going to do today is take a duster. I've got my little cleaning caddy here. Take a duster, just wipe things off, see if things need to go in another room. Maybe you started a book, aren't enjoying it, let's get that passed on to somebody else who might enjoy it. I keep a stash of sweets in my bedside cabinet. I've also got my lotions and potions. I put on, cream on my feet before I go to bed as a wee pamper. I've got extra books and I've got nail care stuff and, for doing manicures and pedicures. So that's what I've got in there. I'm going to give that a dust off today. And really, it shouldn't take more than 5 or 10 minutes. Remember, we're not spending all day in this area. We're just doing as much as we can. And then let me just tell you, because it is Wednesday, let me turn you around a bit, which is Anti-Procrastination Day. So maybe you've been putting off a task because you think it's going to take too long or you don't want to do it. It could be something like changing a light bulb in an area that's hard to access. Maybe you need to get the ladder out. Maybe you need to go online and finish a passport application. Again, just set your timer for 5 or 10 minutes because it's the fact of getting the timer started that will get you started. Once you've got the momentum going, then it becomes much easier. And for the self-care for today, I've already done one thing this morning. I was in the shower this morning. I used this new bath gel, shower gel, which I got from my bestie Helena for my birthday. And just a couple of extra minutes in the shower in the morning turned it into a spa experience. Remember, especially here on Anti-Procrastination Day, maybe you've been holding on to things thinking, oh, you're going to use it for a special occasion, whether that is jewellery or perfume, or if you've received some kind of gift. Let's get those gifts opened and start using them. And the other thing that I'm doing from my Hygge self-care bingo chart today is adding a fresh bloom to my bedroom here. Now, it's something that I often do. I put a single bloom at my dressing table, and right now our hortensia, our hydrangeas, they are in full bloom. They're magnificent, and I love to take just a single flower and put it beside my sink or put it here in the bedroom. So in the morning when I'm getting ready or when I'm going to bed at night, it's just a little reminder that you're doing something nice for yourself. So I have taken today some of the sweet peas that we have in the garden. So that's what I'm going to be putting at my dressing table today. So I hope that'll give you a wee bit of encouragement just to do something today to be mindful of looking after you. Remember, it doesn't need to cost a lot of money. It doesn't need to take time, but just a little reminder to yourself that you're just taking a moment, and it can be simple as just taking a moment, sitting here in your bedroom once you've done your mission for today, just sitting back, relaxing and taking a couple of minutes to just be, to just breathe. So anyway, I'm going to get back to the family because they are at home here at the moment. Live long, prosper. May the Danish Hygge be with you, and I'll see you tomorrow with a rap, rap, rap. Okay.